biggest issue for everybody right now.
Isn't that weird? And they say the economy is slowing down, but yet there's nobody to hire. And I just worry if they lower the interest rates and try to ramp up the economy, there's not going to be anybody that can work. Okay, so what I want you to do is go like that. Thank you. What do you think? Like, if they get this economy going too much, who's going to work?
Yeah, well, they got to quit giving free money. So that'll be a start.
That is
People
true.
Incentivized to
That
work.
is so true. Because you can make more than you can
Yeah.
working with unemployment now, and that's why
true.
people don't want to work.
Yeah,
Are you
'cause
serious?
Yeah, because during COVID, when I was out that 1 year, the first year, unemployment paid me more than I was getting.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's
Yeah.
Yep.
ridiculous.
Yeah.
You doing okay? Am
So
I
I
pressing
made-
your nose too hard?
No,
So
no,
I
I'm
made
okay.
it.
Great. I
Yeah.
didn't even know that was a
So I
thing.
made a joke. I was like, so I'll just collect unemployment while you work, and then I got an evil eye, and I was like, just kidding.
No, but so some people are saying they're actually super smart because they figured that out. that
Yeah,
you can-
yeah. No,
Well,
you do.
and they can
yeah.
even, they make it easy to extend it for a year or two.
Mhm.
So it's not even the 6-month thing anymore.
It's a very interesting dynamic now.
No, I can't even believe, who thinks that that's a good plan? Like, what genius thinks that that's a great plan?
Well,
That's why during COVID, a lot of people just stayed unemployed because, I mean, they were milking it for all they could get.
No, that's just
It's
unbelievable.
crazy.
I didn't know that was true.
especially people in the service industry
Uh-huh.
where, that's a good deal instead of slaving over waiting on tables and bartending.
Yeah. Luckily, most of the staff came back.
Yeah, our staff did come back.
Yeah, it's
But I think, people in healthcare are a little bit different. I think people in healthcare kind of want to help people. It's like in our DNA a little
Yeah, your biggest challenge is the mess of insurance.
bit. Oh my God. And the fact that the government doesn't want to pay us anymore. Did you know that healthcare hasn't gotten an increase in salaries in 8 years?
Really?
And they're not doing any this year either,
Yeah.
even in spite of inflation.
And they continue to they raise the premiums for the individuals. They pay you guys less.
It's the weirdest thing. Because I don't know how long you can keep not increasing revenue for people when everything's going up. in
Yeah,
price.
well, you can't. Something's going to break.
That's so cool.
Yeah, look at that whole thing.
I wish I could see.
I'll show you.